Hi everybody, I will show you how to use my string database editor. So start with the menu, Tulpar games, and we try create table. You can see any database. Let's first create one. Create one database, call it name, call it by example, and create a database created. We can create table to example database. I call it the persons and two column, name and surname, column name, surname, and create. Yes, create. You can see the debug log, and we can edit the table person, create row, another row creates, and save change. We must click this. After that we can show the table example person. If we add another table to example cars, model, name, and column to model, create. Yes. After that we can see cars two column has, or edit table cars like this. Save change after that. So we can delete database with like this, and in this scripting I will show you how to create database with script. Just important thing I must add the tutorial. Don't use in the name this characters. So how to create a database with script? Just db context and create database. You can see the summary, call it by example 2, and the database has been created. After that, how to create table with any database? Just database db context get database example 2. So we get the database example 2, and after that db.create table name you can see, persons I call it, and columns you can like this, name, surname, and I want to add phone. After that the database created, call it example 2, and we created a table called by persons. After that we must save change like this, save change. We can try this code. You can see database created, person created, the save change. After that we can look in our editor, example 2, you can see persons column count 2, and persons edit table example 2 persons at row. Save changes. After that, how to add row with the scripting? It's really basic to add scripting, and don't create again the database, just get, and don't create the table, just get. I want to get db table name persons, and dot add rows. The rows is like this thing, like this. Just change to name and surname and font. Like this we can add the row to the persons table. And another thing to show table t db person. Like this you can add this. Another thing to show, just change the name and string. You can see debugging and clear database, edit table, example 2. You can see Kamil Kılıç add to our persons. So how to get the persons to persons rows? Like this I create for db persons not the rows, not the count, and another for db persons columns.count, and change must e to g, and I create a text, this my text dot text db persons rows dot columns and value, and like this. After that we must add this to ENG. It's at the, you can see now, just change this and string again. You can see we must change the size maybe. You can see in the shell, in the signs, my name and another name. We must change thing. We must, what we can do, change, just string something. Just you know, we add row again, so it's for it's have we remind we add this row, so it's another add, and in the example 2 persons add more, and we delete this, and new text I want to delete, and try again. We delete and save change for good, and trying again, and success. I think yes, you can see now. It's just save string, but you can int x dot path, like this you can change to int or double or float or another data type. So another thing I can show, I don't think, thanks for